What is going on, guys? I'm sticking my hands all up in your face because it's another HackerRank video. If you're new to the channel, my name is Triston. I do HackerRank challenges. If you like this kind of stuff, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and let's get the ball rolling on to the next challenge. See you there. Alright, so this one is called time conversion. Right off the bat, I'm kind of nervous about this one. Let's see. Given a time in 12-hour AM/PM format, convert it to military 24-hour time. Complete the time conversion function in the editor below. It should return a new string representing the input time in 24-hour format. Time conversion has the following parameters. Complete the time conversion function in the editor below. It should return a new string representing the... Okay. S, a string representing time in 12-hour format. A single string S containing a time in 12-hour clock format, i.e. hours, minutes, seconds. This is pretty much going to be a split. Convert and print the given time in 24-hour format, where 0 is less than or equal to hours, less than or equal to 23. Well, it's a string. There's a method called string.contains or something like that. So I think I could just pass in PM or AM, do a check. If it's PM, do this. If it's AM, do this. If it's AM, I shouldn't do anything except remove the AM. I shouldn't have to have AM because AM is already what it is in both 12-hour and 24-hour formats. Let's get rid of that garbage. We have seconds, like usual. I want to make sure 100% what I'm getting. Even though it told me, I just want to double check. See what exactly is coming out of this. 07:05:45. We're gonna say let I don't know, let late equal, this is gonna be a boolean. Let late equal s dot, I think it's contains. Let me Google this. Includes, that's what it is. Includes. So that's what I'm looking for. Includes, boom, and then I pass in what I'm including. So is it late? True if it includes PM. False if it doesn't. Now what we want to do is say if it's not late. Oh my god. If it's not late, then return S, but we want only the numbers. We don't want the AM. Return S dot split. I think I can pass in AM here, and I think that would work, but I'm not sure. We will see. Alright, and if it is late, then that's when we need to start doing our logic. So we need to say actually first we need to say string equals I'm going to kind of do the same thing here. And so S equals S dot split. I'm trying to get rid of that PM. We don't need it. Now I can do S equals S dot split again, and we're going to split by these semicolon or these colons. So now we should have an array. Oh wait, wouldn't this return an array? Let's see. Let me see what happens real quick. Console.log S. Yeah, see, PM. It did get rid of what I wanted to get rid of, but it left an empty string. I mean, it's kind of obvious. I think I have to say S equals S dot split, and then do the AM, and then return SO, like that. I believe I have to do that, and then this, I know for a fact that's going to be an empty string, so I want to say S equals SO dot split, and then that, and then now if I console.log S, it should be exactly how I want it to, and that's exactly how I wanted it. So actually, to be honest, I don't need to do any operations on the minutes and seconds. I only need to do the operations on the hour. So SO equals Parseint so plus 12. I think I just wrap this in parentheses and then say .toString like so. Say return s.join, and then we're going to join back with the semicolons. Let's run code and see what happens. Hey, it worked, boy. Alright, let's submit it and see how many we can pass. Do we fail any? Do we fail any? Is this going to be my first one where we actually fail some? Let's find out. Come on, man. What happened? This is wrong answer. I wish it would tell me. I don't have 5 hackos, do I? What are hackos? I don't even know what hackos are. Alright, let's see what the problem is. Oh. Maybe it's this. Console log so. Ah, that's what it is. So I do have to do operate. Okay, so if it's 12, how would that work? If it's 11:59 p.m., that would be 23. Less than or equal to 23. Oh yeah, because if it's 12 a.m. Okay, so I do have to do logic here. Okay, so let's get rid of this return real quick and see. So we're splitting by am, so now we have the same thing. S equals so dot split. Actually, I think I want to check first. No, we can do that. So dot split. We're going to split by the colon. We're going to check if so is equal to 12. It's got to be a string. If so is equal to 12, then what do? So equals same thing, parseint so plus 12 dot toString like so. Then we would just, so regardless, we're going to return s.join by this. Oh wait, no, I don't have to do that. All I gotta do is equals 0, just like that. Actually, equals 0, 0. I think that's right. Let's check it now. Now let's check it, boy. What? Another one failed? Are you serious? I'll be right back. I gotta take a leak. Oh, wait a second. If it's 12 p.m. and I'm setting it to 24, I think that's where the problem's coming in. You guys probably already figured that out a long time ago, and you're like, man, this guy's stupid. Pretty much, we're gonna have to check here too. And it's literally the same exact concept. Just throw in an if statement here. If so equals 12. I probably could have done without writing all of this like this. We'll say if so does not equal 12, then do this. If so does not equal 12, do all of that, then return. Let's see what happens. I just do it and I'm just like, let's see what happens. Alright, so we passed this one. You just solved all the... Those were only warm-up challenges? I thought these were the actual ones. Oh my god, you gotta be kidding me. What comes next? Are they more easy ones? I don't know. We'll figure it out though. We're gonna find out in the next video. But, alright, if you guys like that, hit the subscribe button, throw a like on the video, smash the like button, obliterate the like button, demolish the like button, annihilate the like button. It really helps out the channel. I appreciate it. Leave a comment down below what you liked, what you didn't like, what you want to see, what you don't want to see. If you don't even want to see my face, let me know. I'll take my face out of it. I hope you guys are taking it easy.